In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail in Microsoft Outlook following the 2025 guide quickly and efficiently. Whether you're aiming to consolidate your email activities or prefer using Outlook's user interface, this guide will walk you through the setup process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by accessing your Gmail account. Go ahead and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the settings icon, which you'll find on the top right corner of your Gmail interface. It resembles a gear, so it's pretty hard to miss. After clicking this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option that says See All Settings, and click on it. This will take you to a page with multiple tabs across the top. Our focus today is the Forwarding and POPI/IMAP tab, which you should click on. This tab is crucial for enabling access for your emails outside Gmail itself. Now locate the section titled IMAP Access. It's important that IMAP is enabled. If it isn't, you need to do so by selecting Enable IMAP. Adjusting these settings ensures seamless synchronization between Gmail and Outlook. Next, pay attention to the settings titled Folder Size Limits within the same section. Here you'll see an option related to limiting the number of messages in an IMAP folder. For optimal performance, you should select the option that says Do not limit the number of messages in an IMAP folder. This little step can make a big difference for how your email data is managed and retrieved between platforms. Once you've completed these changes, make sure to save them by scrolling to the bottom and clicking Save Changes. This ensures that all the adjustments you've made are implemented immediately. With Gmail ready, it's time to shift our focus to Outlook. Open your Outlook application. At the bottom left corner of the Outlook window, you will see an option to Add Account. Click on that. Typically, this leads you to a screen where you'll need to enter your Gmail address. Do so carefully to avoid typos and click on Continue. At this point, Outlook will guide you through some basic steps. When prompted with connection options, be sure to choose IMAP. This selection allows for bidirectional syncing, enabling you to see the same messages in Gmail and Outlook, maintaining consistency across devices. And there we have it. If you followed along, your Gmail account is now successfully integrated into Microsoft Outlook. This setup enables you to manage, write, and organize emails more conveniently without needing to toggle between different email platforms. If you run into any issues or have further questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below, and we'll assist you as best as we can. Happy emailing!